All right, what's up, guys? Day 75. Today I have a little bit more time because I don't have any assignments due. Imagine that. So we're gonna do the leetcode problem for today, and then I want to get a good amount done for the poker in regards to, like, I want to handle evaluating hands when, like, say we know that everyone's all in, we instantly want to evaluate hands, or when we get to showdown we want to evaluate hands. I also want to test out the writing something for like a simulator to see percentages of winning hands that we talked about a long time ago now, because we have a good amount of base logic in of like turn logic stuff, obviously 1,000 other things to implement, but I think those are going to be the focuses for today. Do I have anything else to say? I think that's it. So let's try this one out. Alright, I have not read this at all or like looked at anything, so. Wait, why? Okay. You are given a 0 indexed array nums of size n. Okay, you need to apply n. Okay. If nums at I is equal to the next one, multiply by 2, and set the next one to 0. After performing all operations, shift the zeros. Okay. Doesn't seem that bad. Sorry, I gotta respond to one of my friends. Okay. I mean, this doesn't seem that hard. It's more so gonna be like, how do we keep track of the shifting stuff? Like, the shifting logic is harder than the actual logic. So thinking through that, so we have something like this. I guess the question, you have to shift all them at the end. So it's more so, can we keep an extra array? Yeah, I think maybe we do that. I think we keep an extra array of the things that are non-zero, so we can keep that ordering. So it's pretty much anytime we see this part where we're multiplying by 2 is the point that we append to the new array. We then add like a num0 count. Yeah. Okay. I think I like that. There's probably a way to do this in place, but like, whatever, I don't really care. Do we apply, wait, do we append? Okay, so we append the multiplied by 2 version. Gotcha. Okay. So if it's this, then dude, Shimon, I looked at yours, brother, because I read I achieved the impossible, and I was like, I know I'm about to look at the most fucked thing I've ever seen, and I saw it was some dunder method that I've never seen in my life. Wait, let me check. Yeah, set item. Are you fucked in the head? Like, is everything okay at home? I feel like I gotta check in on you. Cause like that's insane. That's just insane. You're a crazy person. Just oh, I see. Okay, I've just never seen that in my goddamn life, so I had to make sure everything's okay, you know. uh. Can 2 zeros technically be? I guess it doesn't really matter, actually. Oopsies. Why am I missing a 0 though? Oh. Wait, no. I should always get all the 0s. Because we're just scanning if nums at I. Or I guess this should be if. Oy. That's no bueno. What the fuck? Chad, I'm smoking dick. I'm smoking a reefer. Okay, why? Oh, I guess I have to act on the last one by itself. In the case of the last one, is it not just like if the last one is actually just regardless, you like append the last one, right? Because even if it's 0, that's fine. Dude, there are people just like dapping up in the hallway for some godforsaken reason. Ah, this is gonna return none. I forgot. I feel like I'm getting like progressively worse at leetcode because I'm like caring less. Because I just don't get interviews. I just don't give a shit. How are we getting zeros in there? Oh. Does this make sense, actually? Let's see how smart people do it. Okay, so you just don't use... Yeah, I mean, that's fair. Did this not say in place and then the first thing I see is constructing a new list? Sure. Sure, why not? Yeah, why not? Yeah, alright. Let's poker, shall we? Alright, so where we're at now is we can have two people, or like pretty much n people join a lobby. I don't think we even set a max. We should, but that's a later down the road problem. Start the game, we get our whole cards, which is cool. We can bet. We can not check. Checking returns cannot check when there's a bet this round. And that tells us the most recent bet. So we can call. Calling then ends the turn because we have now like closed the action pretty much. We get our community cards. You can bet and then rebet. Should probably set the fact that you have to at least bet 2 times the most recent. But for now I haven't implemented that. And then say we call, get another card. What I want to work on today is if we go check, check, like, not the client's turn to act, player 1. What? That's a bug. Wait, but advanced turn should have changed that. That's quite weird, actually. I'm not too sure what happened. I'll try to run that back and figure it out. But regardless, if we go... Wait, why can I not check now? Oh, because it fucking restarted because I pressed right. Okay. Regardless, if we... say we just check it down. So check, check. Why is checking not advancing the person's turn? Oh. All right, let's make this check a little bit worse. just to make sure that there is something. We connected? Why are we not connected? Why? What happened here? Okay, I don't know. Whatever. Join, start game. Or I didn't need to hit start game as well. But say we go check. We should have gotten community cards. Wait, okay. What the fuck just happened? Join a new table. I need to like focus on what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, so we're here. Say we go check. The community cards should have happened. So why does check not work? We go to advanced turn. If the most recent raise is not null, oh, because I need to init this. Okay. Yeah, so the problem is I never am setting off rip. Okay. Like here I'm making, when I init, I'm making it this, which actually means, what I can do is just table.players. Oh no, shit, I can't init this to like anything. Caesar, how the fuck did your thing go, brother? You haven't put anything in the Discord, you bitch. Guess I'll just handle it here. Pretty much just want to init this of putting this guy as the big blind to start. Which is more so like, I should probably put this in a handle in a game. Because I need to change this logic anyway, but. Went really well. They said they were. Hey, good fucking shit, man. Good shit. That's very cool. Very, very cool. Good shit. So now I should be able to go check. Bam! We go check, baby. Look at that. Okay, so we can keep going check. And then we get to the point where we have all 5 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that we're at here, pretty much when I go check again, my logs will tell me that I'm done. And then I'm ready to evaluate hands. So once we're at the river, we need to do our little eval logic, which means we need to loop over the players, and we need to call eval on their hands. And the person with the strongest hand wins. Look at that. So I need to recheck what I have in table. I just have eval hand. Okay. So for handle evaluate cards, we want to go over the players. All right, we need to first get like the table. Wait, why did it not? I don't know what I just did. Just no startup is all in or nothing. What do you mean by that, Shaman? All in or nothing. So we're gonna loop over it. What does this return again? Eval hand and int. Which returns the best hand. And the rank. Okay, so we mostly care about the int. It's been a while since I've looked at this. So maybe we just do thing is we can split. Oh yeah, that's fair. Not fair, that makes more sense. You add a total for each player. I don't know what that means. Blackjack? No, this is poker. Okay. Because I want to be able to handle split pot, but I guess that's a little bit ambitious for now. It's not really ambitious. Trying to figure out, because I know I want like a winner's list, but I also got to keep track of like the highest hand value. Because right, the thing that I wrote here is higher is better. Pretty sure. Wait, is it? Because yeah, it's greater. Okay. How do I do like an arbitrary length of this again? I feel like I always forget like the easy stuff. Oh no, but this is the thing where I do like var, right? So for the players in this, we'll call and val is, this should just be player. Player.eval hand. Hey, hand is better, but what does magic number mean? So it's just like how my evaluator works. The goal is it eventually spits out like, if you have 1, that's the best possible hand, 2 or so. But it was a lot of like array lookups, so a lot of hard-coded like constants of how a hand is actually like the strength of it. Okay. So what do I want to do? I'm not even going to really worry about the hand for right now. I'm just going to do if val is higher than highest. You determine hand value. A lot of lookup tables. Followed this guy called Cactus Jack's poker hand evaluator. I can link you it if you want to look at it, but it's a little bit convoluted. I can have are you in my Discord? Because I can't link through YouTube. I don't think. Yeah, I can't. I will put it in the resources channel. Go, Nathan. Thanks, man. Hey, if you want to copy, or I guess it's not zooming in. Copied? Cool. Like this logic is fine. So this actually wants to return a list of where do you handle folds in the handle fold? kind of jobs are you applying to? Anything software, really. Obviously internships. So I can make this return the type of hand that won, the exact hand that won. Right now I'll just do winners. Oh, that's true. Thank you. Good call. Come on. There you go. Okay, so now in here we can do pass in client or table. I guess for now I'll just log the winners. But I will have to return this eventually. You do full stack dev? Yeah. My last full stack project is a new food. I guess everything's closed right now. But yeah, I did this whole process. Okay, so now if we join the table, so we start the table, so we just check it down. It's a food recipe website? No, the basis for that was, like, I go to Northwestern, and the way to find dining hall food, like, really sucks. Like, the data is out there, but the app that they provide is super slow, and it's just a bad experience. So I made everything much faster. I also added things like you can favorite items, you can see where your available favorites are, you can join a mailing list, or like notifications to see where stuff is at a certain time of day. Just a bunch of other stuff like that. Pretty much just an optimized version of finding food on campus. The winners are player 1, player 2. That's not right. There's no way they ended up with the same hand, did they? So this guy had 10 of diamonds, 5 of clubs. Wait, player 1 should have won this. Because it should have been king, king, jack, jack, 10. It's a little bit worrisome, actually. Don't know. No, I know how to play poker. Didn't realize you go to Northwestern. I live in Chicago. Oh, that's sick. I've been like I grew up in the Chicago suburbs, so kind of always stayed close to Chicago my whole life. Okay, let's try this again. Damn, jacks versus nines? That's what we fucking get? Okay. Did you learn Go on your own at your uni? Completely on my own. That's why I'm bad at it. Huh. So they both have a value of 2, which doesn't make much sense to me. Maybe I'm forgetting how this works. Or do I just never... Because do they both just have 1 pair, like 2 pair or something? What's your streaming setup? It's literally just OBS using my MacBook camera. I just put myself in the corner. I mean, yeah, that's all message log is. It's just the messages from the server. So this guy had jacks to begin with, which means he made 2 pair. And this guy had 9s, which also means he made 2 pair. So in my evaluator, do I just... I haven't looked at this in so long. I didn't realize that I don't... Because this is just classifying. Huh. Yeah, because this is doing... Okay. Were you into coding earlier, like in high school? No. I started coding my senior year. Mockhands. No, I already did that. I just haven't worked on this in a while. So I, like, forgot about what this part returns. Because I thought I... Let's send out evaluate hand. It just returns the hand rank. And hand rank is just that. So this just classifies what the types are, but it doesn't compare the 2 hands directly. I'm not applying to that yet. After my spring break, I'll apply to research positions at Northwestern, and then if nothing of that also works out, then yeah, I'll probably like work at a grocery store or something. I'll have a job over summer. Or I might go back to the startup I'm working at now. If he will take me back. Oh, motherfucker. forget which file it is. Maybe I just completely missed the plot of... I mean, I can always make my own thing. Because really evaluating ties is not all that hard. Like, the naive way of evaluating two hands that are equal strength are... you just loop over the 5-hand and then say it's like 2 pair, but the first one has kings. Then obviously like that one works. That one wins. And if the other one has like jacks or something. Kind of just surprised they don't have like a handle ties. Like, I'm surprised I didn't read that anywhere. Nothing's coming to mind. Eval 5 cards, which returns hash value. When does he call hand rank here? He doesn't. But that doesn't matter, because... Could you make 2 different 2 pairs, technically? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to change this evaluator a little bit. Because we pretty much just need to handle ties. Yeah. What is a hand? Thing of cards. Okay. Can I do this syntax? Yeah, I can. Okay. So, how long have you been coding? A year and a half, 2 years? Are hands sorted? I completely forget. I have a sort hand. Jobless, my money is drained. Best of luck, brother. It's a little bit brutal out here. Does this do it in place or does it return? No, I do not do that. I do not sort hands to calculate straights. Oh, too much Python. What am I thinking of? What syntax am I thinking? No, can I just do this? I don't know if I can do this actually. I feel like I can. So, whatever. Explain for me why you don't use JetBrains. I've actually never tried JetBrains. I did VS Code for a while. I still like VS Code. I really just wanted to try something new, to be honest. I found that I liked customizing my editor, and then I was like, okay, what's the best customizable editor? Got a return of NeoVim, and tried it, hated it. Then decided to learn Vim motions in VS Code. Started loving that, so then I hopped to NeoVim. I haven't had like a reason to go back. I like a pretty plain, like small amount of plugins, so. Thanks, of course. Is this fine? I think this is fine. In find best hand, do I have to do this? Yeah, I do. Now, I technically should be able to do a similar thing when we're finding the best ones. I should test this, but I don't really care. So the logic is, if val is highest, we just replace it. If the val is equal, which just means like 2 pair. So like what we need to do is handle the ties. So if the val is equal to the highest, I'm just trying to think how this appending thing would work. Because handle tie returns a hand. Actually, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Sorry, I just had to think through that. So if val is equal to the highest, we take res hand there has to be a better way to do this. Let me just think. Because right now, I'm going to have to loop over the current winner's hands and handle ties with each one of them. No, because theoretically, winners should only have the ones that are splitting, so they all should have the same value of hand. So what I can do is take res hand equal to eval.handle tie of hand and shit. I need to know what the player ID had. Whatever. Fuck it. We're just going to make this function horrible because I just want it to work. Build that. I don't know. High card. No. I need an actual hand. Oh, God damn it. You know what I'm gonna do? This is bad. It's really bad, and I just don't care. So we have res hand now. So this is getting extremely convoluted, but okay. Wait, what does this return? This returns a hand. And res hand should be also a hand. Hmm. Deep equal. Sure. Let's try it out. I don't know if this is exactly what I want, but can't hurt to try. Where the fuck was I? Oh my god. It's supposed to be here. Okay, yeah. So it's reflect dot deep equal res hand and best. And the winners changes to just that, and res hand equals best. In the other case, we are appending. 1:30 a.m. It's 12:30 for me, so it's not that bad. All right, if this miracle works, I will be shocked. Let's try it out. Are you finding LLMs? I try not to use them for personal projects, but for like some school assignments and stuff, I mean, obviously, lovely. But when I'm trying to like really learn something, I try to avoid them. Just because it's easier to learn when you just struggle. Okay, let's see what outputted. Okay, now we got player 1-1, and why did they win? So they had a 9 of spades and a 3 of clubs. Oh, so they had trips. Okay, so they had trips, and you had... What did you have? Where's your hand? You had 6 and a queen. So you didn't make anything. All right, so actually I want to retry this, because that was just like unfair. I want to make it so they both have... So you have 10 of hearts, queen of spades. You have ace, king. This is probably not going to be an equal hand again, but whatever. So 3, 10, 2, queen, 3. Okay, so actually they should both have 2 pair. Because this guy matched his 10. Yeah, so player 1 should win, because he matched a 10 queen. And this guy matched ace king. No, he didn't match anything, god damn it. Alright, but player 1 wins again, which is right. Oh, I fucked that up. I just want to make sure that, like, if they both have, like, 1 pair, then we can figure that out. What's happening here? Right. I think it's just because I fucked it up. Okay, so you have 9, 10, you have ace, jack. Okay, so 10 matched. God damn it. I really should just write a test for this instead of trying. But what's the fun in that? So player 1 should win again. Yeah, okay. I should just make a restart game button. So what did you have? You had queen 8, and you matched your queen. You had king 7, and matched nothing. Of course you matched nothing. Dude, I just, like, the first hands that we did, it's like, both had 2 pair, both had 1 pair. And now, nothing and nothing. Okay, so it's 7 of spades, 2 of clubs. What the fuck happened? Are leetcode mediums going? Fine. I'm really not good at leetcode. It's not my strength. So 8 queen, 10 king. So queen has 1 pair. Please, 10 or king. God damn it. Dude, I don't think player 2 has won one time. It is like, it's not a fault of the program. It's just how this is going. So Jack Queen versus 5-7. So 7 pairs. So player 2 should have won. Okay, so player 2 can. I never really got that into Zig, to be honest. I tried it for a little bit and I liked it, but I don't know. I don't really have a reason why I'm using Go either, to be honest with you. But I thought more hireable technology, technically, because I kind of might try to go into like distributed systems where Go is used a lot. I've been liking Go, though, a lot, to be honest. I just like the program. All right, can I please, for the one time, get my... Just both have like a high card, or like pair, like a pair. Just 1 pair. Please. 4-8, 6-8. Okay, please, 8 come down. So they both won, which does that make sense? I like kind of think that makes sense, because 4-8 and 6-8 means Jack 9. Yeah, they just would take the community cards. Did you hear about the Firefox? Yeah, I did. I need to swap off Firefox, but I'm just lazy right now, which is not good, but whatever. Okay, so that means that test case is covered where they're both tied, which is correct. It's functioning correctly. I just need them to have an equal, like 1 pair, but one have a stronger one, and then that's... Wait, what? I forgot I already used that. So 2-5, king 8. Please, high cards. Win. 10 queen. Okay, so the king should win it. So to my knowledge, unless... Did spades hit? No, clubs could have hit. No, clubs didn't hit here. So player 2 should win with high card. Yes! Let's fucking go. Cool. Our evaluator's working. Very cool, very cool. All right. So the last thing I want to do tonight is I want to broadcast the winners back. So how do I broadcast backwards, actually? So broadcast state. Okay. Just trying to think through if I want to make my own function or just... I don't really think I have to, actually. Nah, I will. So I'll just copy this type. This is Go. This isn't Python. Or what does broadcast state take? Table ID. Alright, whatever. I need to fix this up, because I have some things taken at, like, the table ID, and then I have some things taken, like, the table struct. Oh, that should work. So I simply just don't call it. Some OOP, baby. Oh, did we never start the game? Of course we never started the game. This is weird. So player 1-1. I should have gotten a winner's play load, which is weird. Like, why am I not seeing... Oh, here. I do ship. Cool. I want to return the hand, too. Do I have, like, I know res hand is... Res hand returns... I can actually make this highest as well. And I should actually loop over. Disturbia. Okay. But I want to return the hand, so what was I trying to figure out? Oh, to get like a print hand function. I'm surprised I don't have that anywhere. I could have sworn I had. I have card to bits, but I don't have bits to card. You know what I should do? I should change these to like that. Is there, can I use, yeah, I can probably do, what would it be? Oh, that's bad. Okay, so the macro would be 0 word, change to this, base string. Oh. Simply doing this, I can waste my time pretty much. Realistically, I do not have to do this. There's no benefit to it, but whatever. You know what I want to do, actually? Well, here's the plan. We're going to go 0. Find the B. Oh, bitch. Hell yeah. That's so sick. That's really satisfying. Wait, why? Boy, what the fuck? What happened to my macro? Oh, because the clubs. That's why. Oh, it's quite fun to do, I can't lie. Waste of time? Yes. But I don't care. Because now I have to do is simply do QA 0 word change base bit deck base string deck which is fine because this will be an int32. This will be a card. Satisfying as a motherfucker. What a waste of time that was, but whatever. What was the point of that? Why did I do that? Oh yeah, I wanted bits to strings. So then in eval, I can do something like wait, actually, am I an idiot? Oh, I so did not need to do that. And is a thing with cards, and a cards is already strings. Ooh, that's what I get for trying to implement something on something I completely fucking forgot. Oh, brother. Wait, but no, because... Okay, no, because card in here is an int32. So is a card here somehow a string? Oh, that's disgusting. Because it's in a different package. Okay, so I actually did need this. Look at me go. How do I do this? It's a job application, bro. Grim. But it's fine. This is just bad. What are you doing? I'm making a poker simulator. So this is like it's pretty much uses WebSockets, and like the things can communicate. It like hands out the cards and then evaluates like which ones are stronger, like the winners and stuff. But everything is like in bits for the evaluator part. So I just made like a mapping of bits to like what 2 of spades is in bits, so like I can return the string. Because I want to say like player, like right now I have like, this is winner, player 2, but I want like the hand that won too, just to like display to everyone, like, you know, join industry right away or grad school. I'd vastly prefer industry right away. I'm not a huge fan of CS academics, but if I need to, in terms of like giving myself more time. I don't think like Northwestern does BSMS, so I'd only have to add like, I don't know, a semester ish, like a semester and a half to get my master's, which would be cool. Buy me a little bit more time. Yeah, it's definitely like, I don't know. It's one of those to each their owns for sure. But a card isn't int 32. What? I feel like I read something about the newest Golang thing. Import cycle not allowed in test. What is getting import cycled? What's happening? Oh, because card is getting defined as two different things. Shit. I think that's the reason, at least. Oh, I'm quite confused what's happening right now, actually. Is a hand defined in here too, somewhere? Actually, I only need to change one of them. What's up, Alex? Line 27, what file you want, brother? Because why not? I don't care. The main one? There we go. I don't know what import cycle means. Because, like, unless in some... Why does it not have eval hand? What? You submitting this? This isn't like a school project. This is a personal one, so nothing to submit. Holy fuck, how did I break everything just wanting to fucking get strings going? Wow, honestly impressive. Quite impressive. I'm just like lost. In this test thing. So AI is gonna dominate all this or be a tool? I have no clue. I hope not. What? We'll see. To be honest, I have no clue. What are you working on? Poker evaluator. I like a poker simulator. So one of these test files, eval just does eval. What's your leetcode profile? I don't fucking know. Aiden-Lee 11. Why is this causing... Because I changed what the card bits are. Are there two different players being defined? But I don't know how that would change anything. A table has a player. So the package of poker imports table. So it literally just that I was supposed to delete it. It was, because I can't have that in here. You're from Illinois in the US. So then I'm just going to put this constants thing. Or wait, no, I shouldn't even. Dude, I'm such a fucking idiot. Holy shit. I should just put this in table. Now I've got unknown things of what a card is. This should be card bits. So here, because a player doesn't know their best hand. You know what I'm going to have this return? I'm going to have it return a string instead. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to make hand strength equal to this. And then we're going to return Does that make sense? This is the grossest thing, but I'll refactor it eventually. I really just don't want to. Oh my god. Keep going, thanks man. I need that right now. God bless it. right? Because this is bits. Alright. I doubt this is working. I so heavily doubt this is working, it's almost insane. Do I even build? No, I don't even build. So 410. Oh my god, fuck off. No, okay. Okay. We're actually fine. We're fine. Because I will just return this. Because then I can just call stringify in the game manager. So I'll have this return. Stringified. God damn, this has been awful. God blessed. Sometimes, man, simplest things just take me for fucking ever. Okay, so we can stringify the hand. And then winners. Okay. I'm gonna change this later, but I can't change it later. God damn it. Um. Missing type. JSON winners JSON holy shit. Okay. Christ. Did we build? I think we did, but I'm just going to restart it. Okay, so after all of that, what we only have gotten is the stringified version of the hand. Look at us go. So if we check it down, we get winners is null. How the fuck is winners null? Oh, brother. Oh, I guess. Why is this wrong? Expected operand. Why does this not work? Because this is a string. Why? Right, I just don't understand this, so we're gonna ChatGPT. Bro. Really? Oh, yeah, we're at that point in the night. That's insane. It's my sign that I should go to bed soon. But I also am realizing that there's a check. The checking is wrong here. So player 2 wins, has the winning hand. Wow, look at us go. That took so long to do nothing. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna check out this check thing and then just try to end after that. So the thing with checking, actually I don't want to look into this. I want to end stream. All right, I'm gonna end here. Spent an hour and 50 minutes and it's 1:30 and I'm quite tired. So I'll see you all tomorrow for day 76. Thanks for stopping by. Good night, good night.